Okay, this is also very nice today on the 11th of April 2025, and it was Ratastie, or
Yeah.
5 staircase, and you also watched the staircase here. It was also here in Turenki, Janakkala, Finland, built in 1974, modernized in 1998, and civilization 31209 with 6 floors. Right now, the capacity is 4 process of 320 grams. But the attacks have flown caterer side.
Yeah.
This is why I would guess it's from the modernization is from the beginning of 98.
Yeah.
Because, well, it should have had the 7 segment in the controls.
Yeah.
And it was a basic renovation in 98 here also.
Yeah.
But still too early also.
Yeah. 98 is the most common year from 90s in Finland. If you count both.
Yeah, built was a modernization.
Yeah. And also some added later, but not so many.
Yeah.
Inspected by Q1, inspected, maintained by artisanal practice.
Yes. But here it's hard to see through the doors.
Yeah.
And in the staircase again, to that digits are 1 over 10
Yeah.
for the 0 number. And it's easy to get here via the commuter train to Turenki station and walking.
Yeah.
So the Helsinki to Tampere commuter trains or commuter regional trains.
Yeah. That's